I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and carwash.com, and this is your weekend review. This week in Car Wash e-News, Splash Car Wash opened its 67th location in Hamburg, New York. The new wash, outfitted with a 130-foot conveyor and 24 free self-service vacuums, is Splash's 42nd car wash in New York. The location was completed under the direction of Dave Clements and Jeff Arnold, two of Splash's development partners and the former owners of the Classy Chassis chain, which Splash acquired in October 2021. Splash has also started construction on two new express washes in Newburgh and Nanuet, New York, and one in Springfield, Massachusetts. These locations are anticipated to open in the fall of 2025. Express Wash Concepts announced its continued Central Ohio expansion with the grand opening of its latest Moo Express Car Wash in Columbus, Ohio. Until March 23rd, the newest Moo is offering a free signature creme de la creme and ceramic car wash to all customers. Customers can also sign up for the grand opening Unlimited Wash Club special for 50% off their first 3 months, savings of up to $60. For every Unlimited Wash Club sign-up, Moo Express will donate $10 to Central Ohio-based nonprofit Growler's Dog Bones, which changes lives one dog bone at a time by providing individuals with disabilities vocational training, employment, and volunteerism opportunities. More than 25 new EWC locations are planned for construction or opening in 2025. Rinsed has introduced a new fleet plan solution, making it easier for car washes to manage large accounts. This feature simplifies setup for operators and provides fleet owners with a straightforward way to handle membership management. The fleet plan feature offers easy account management, multiple billing options, automated barcodes, tax-exempt support, and flexible membership types. Fleet Plan's feature is now available to current DRB customers and is included with the Car Wash CRM platform at no cost. Also, big news from the detailing industry, Malco Automotive has acquired the Auto Magic line of products, excluding Clay Magic, from ITW Global Body Repair. With the acquisition, Malco reinforces its commitment to providing professionals with the highest quality detailing solutions. Founded in 1960, Auto Magic began when Paul D. Miller introduced his automotive carpet cleaner to Texas distributors. Over the past 65 years, Auto Magic has grown into an internationally recognized detailing brand. Malco will continue to offer Auto Magic products under its family of brands. And finally, Amplify Capital Group released a car wash market update. According to the update, the express car wash industry is experiencing significant market turbulence following the recent bankruptcy filing of major player Zips Car Wash. This development underscores broader challenges affecting the sector, primarily driven by poor capital allocation decisions, excessive leverage, and missteps in real estate strategy. Industry experts at Amplify Capital Group note that despite these challenges, opportunities do remain for well-positioned operators. The company continues to monitor market developments closely. Rich DiPaolo actually talked to Jeff Pavone and Chris Jenks from Amplify about some industry insights on a recent episode of Wash Talk, the Car Wash podcast. Be sure to check that out on our website, carwash.com. And that'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free Car Wash e-News and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.